Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are running a Shopify store and want to accept credit card payments, Stripe is one of the best payment gateways you can use, but since Shopify has its own Shopify payment system, connecting Stripe directly can be tricky. In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect Stripe with Shopify in 2025. Whether you are in a supported or unsupported country, let's get started. First of all, you need to check if Stripe is available in your country. Go to Stripe's website, write stripe.com or Stripe, search and enter, then click the first link, look for country list. If Stripe is supported, you can connect it directly. If not, I will show you a workaround using a third-party payment provider. If you don't already have a Stripe account, um, click sign up. Enter the email, business details and country. Verify your phone number and email. Set up bank details for payouts. Once done, your Stripe dashboard will be ready. If Stripe is available in your country, follow these steps to connect it directly. Go back to Shopify admin panel, then click settings, then payments. Under alternative payments method or select provider, then search Stripe and select it. Click connect account and sign into Stripe. Authorize Shopify to access your Stripe account. Click activate and save settings. Now Stripe is your payment processor and you can accept credit card payments. If Shopify payments is required in your country doesn't allow Stripe, don't worry. You can use a third-party payment gateway like Stripe, Atlas, Payoneer or to checkout. Option 1, Stripe Atlas for creating a US-based Stripe account. Option 2, Payoneer or Wise for linking a virtual US bank account. Option 3, use a Shopify supported gateway like To Checkout, which integrates with Stripe. This method allows you to accept Stripe payments even if Shopify doesn't directly support it in your country. Before going live, always test your Stripe payments. Go back to admin, go back to settings, then payments, enable test mode. Place a test order using a fake card number from Stripe documentation. If everything works, disable test mode and start accepting real payments. This ensures your customers won't face issues when checking out. And that's it. Now you know how to connect Stripe with Shopify in 2025. Whether you are in a supported country or need a workaround, if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Shopify tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.